It's such a peaceful morning out here with the grass, the wind. Got a new member of our family, Bubba, and Skylar. She's inside asleep. And he's growing up, so I barely took any videos. Always busy. So this is a new space. I probably won't be staying here long, but we cut the grass. It's growing wild, and yeah, there's birds. We put a little pool out there, but we don't use it. There's like some really loud noise going on. I don't know. Truck construction, I guess. Oh, the birds aren't really out, but we've seen baby bunnies, lizards. Some is over there. Birds. Oh, there's a bird going wild. They always go wild over here in that. There's like a little pole that sticks out right there. They stand on there. Hi, Bubba. My son named him Bubba. We had a harness for him, but it kind of got tight already, so it just couldn't. I haven't been putting it on him. He grew. Oh, there's a bird. Oh. He's still a little kid. He's still, oh, wondering what the heck is going on. I was cleaning all this stuff, so I gotta. Then it rained again and it got muddy again. It's been raining. Finally, it's dry. Let's look at the grass. Do you hear that? This is constant. I haven't heard that noise though. It's. Oh, I just missed the craziest looking bird. Hold on. Hold on. Oh, sorry. Where'd it go? 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 There it is. It is a cardinal. I was wondering if they're still out here. It looked, because there was one that I saw and it was like orange. It had these bright orange wings and it was brown. Like its face was brown. But it had the orangest beak and orange wings. It was so pretty. Wait, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, I was hoping to see one. Oh, no, another bird is chasing it. There's a baby bunny's nest over there. And this tiny little bunny was, oh, there it is. There it is. There's the bird again. Oh, it's right there. That's the brown one. That's the brown one. You see it? It's brown, and then like its beak is orange. Its beak is, yeah. I can't zoom in, and this camera sucks. See it? You see it? You can barely see it. It's like blending in. Okay. Hold on, let me see if the camera will pick it up. I'm seeing it when I went around. Oh, it's on the fence. Oh, it flew away. No, there's a red one. Oh no, it's still in there. It's still in there. There's a red one on the fence. The brown one is behind the green leaves. If I can move my camera, but I don't think I won't be able to before the other one moves. So, it's right in between the red one. Seriously. There. On that fence is the red one. And the sun is shining right in my face. Of course, I can't see. Okay. Where's that orange? Where's that brown orange one? That one's behind the tree. Behind that green part. I don't know if it left. Well, I was looking at the red one. But the other day I was washing the dishes and there's a window and that bird literally landed right here on this bush right in front of the window. And it was right in here and I could see it from the window. Like right in front of my face. And it's spreading its wings and turned at me and its beak was facing right at me in the window. It was so bright orange. And I couldn't go get my camera. I was like, it's red. It looked like a calendar picture. Like, I was like, I wish I could take a picture of this, but I'm not leaving. Like, I had to just stay there and watch it. I was like, watching it. And I don't know, I haven't seen it since that window experience. I think I seen it flying around, but then I never was able to catch it on camera. Oh, it's up there. Okay. Of course I'm barefoot. I don't want to be walking around barefoot. Oh. It was up in the, way up high. Like, way up here in the tree, and it went ding. Is it? And that is not that tree is on the other side of the fence. It comes and like swoops that way, and then I don't know. But all this was dead in winter, and now it's all growing like crepe myrtles. They're growing. That little tree was with no leaves. Now all this is grown. Bush grew double its size. So yeah. Where's that Orange bird, huh? Oops. Anyway, he's a calm one. The other one is opposite. But she's asleep actually for once. Because she was out running around before him. She was running wild. I had her out here all morning. And oh look, he found the stick. I was wondering if they're going to find that stick. Because I left the stick there for y'all. I know it's Skylar's. I'm sure she's always chewing on the stick. I'm sure she left it right there. So I'm like, I'm going to leave it right there for her. A little perfect toy. She's not as into them, but they both are into the sticks. He saw it finally. It took him that long. Oh gosh, that one's a small piece too. Is that a small one? That's a super small one. It's not a treat. I'm surprised they're ignoring the wire. Thankfully, I need to move this. Oh my goodness. No, now you see the wire. It's alright. Put it on the table. You cannot get to it. If you tried. Some splinters. Luckily they're not sharp, they just stick to the fur. They're like super soft. It's the weirdest little thing I've ever seen. It's not sharp at all, but it sticks to something like Velcro. What is that noise, huh? You heard that? Oh yeah, he's gonna bite that into pieces and make it into powder, I'm sure. And that was kind of scary and terrifying. What the heck was that noise? Yeah, a bunch of birds and stuff have been fighting up in the attic. That one was a loud one though. Okay. Let him get some time. What is that? A piece of the, what? A leaf? Or a stick? Oh, I started petting you, huh? Aww. Now you want some more petting. Back rubbing. Okay, that's enough for today. So enjoy the peaceful morning before I have to get ready. Oh my gosh. That's cool. The mixture of the construction I hear in the back going crazy, and then the bird. It's loud. It's like they're brushing the dirt or something. Ooh, what bird is that? What? The orange one go? Okay, let me rest. That light is on? Seriously? I left it on? Okay. I'm waiting. I feel like a bird's gonna pop down at any moment. If I get really quiet, I'm sure. Little white fuzz floating. He saw it. He saw it. I know. There was a white thing floating around and it just plopped down on the dirt. He saw it. You saw that too? What the? Mm. So I wish I could have caught on video the last time I was gardening, actually, which was like a week ago, and I was doing it in the rain, and it was actually really fun. Like, I went out there barefoot and everything, because I was like, just literally just checking out the mud and the dirt with the, yeah, while it was raining, and was making a couple adjustments. So I definitely could not record it or be on my phone. I have not done anything like that here. Don't really want to. That was a lot of energy. I mean, like, over the year. I already did what I did. I don't really want to do it again for now. But look at that skyline. Look at this weird line all the way across the blue. Do you hear that? I wonder if I can hear that on the video, the truck. Oh. There's another one. Gosh. But it was so much fun, actually. I was moving some wood around. Of course, everything was puddling, and I just literally got in there. I was like, there's like a lot of inches of rain. I was under, like, my feet were underwater. Water was up to my, like, ankles, and I could literally dip my hand in water. Dip my hand in the water to wash off, basically. And it was just so freaking kind of fun. And we'll see how it all settled after that rain. But I guess I got to play in the rain a little bit. I didn't think about it like that. I was just, hey, I needed to do something. It just happened to be raining, and it started raining a lot. I mean, it was almost getting to the point where, okay, what's going on? Why are we having this much rain? Because it was like, there was some, like, I don't know. There was some tornado activity a couple weeks ago too, but not close. Just like maybe like a couple hours away, or maybe 1 hour away. I don't know, but that was nice to clean up a little bit while it was raining. Seeing the water, enjoying it before it gets hot and dry. Because that was nice. Like, I was like, man, I haven't had my feet and hands in rainwater in like a minute. And actually, my whole body, basically, I had to change. I was drenched. And I was like, actually, I had some boots on. And then I ended up just saying, I'm just going to put barefoot. I feel like I was swimming again. Like, you know, like a kid, like childhood. I don't know. So left it at that, enjoying the rain while it lasts. Before, we'll see how summer is. Hopefully not everything will die, like heat stroke-ish, with a drought or something crazy. Like the ground is really nice right now. Pretty lush. It's like a second start of winter again. It's like got cool. It's perfect for growing. But for who knows how long, because it does, once it gets hot, it gets hot. So I'm hoping we don't jump up to the 90s real fast. Because the other day it was hot. And then it did this whole cold front thing. And now it's nice. The other day it was hot. We actually went to the little beach, lake, whatever. The water was still cold. But the ground was getting dry. So that was not good. But it rained again, and then it almost was flooding. It's like too much rain. Now everything's absorbing all that, which is what it needed. Anyway, that's a long video. I'm just going on. I'm just trying to relax. Bye.